Hello everyone, welcome to our channel STTL-Odoo. In this video, I will show you the functionality of one of our app, that is product catalog for bill of material. First of all, you have to install our app in your database. Go to the apps, remove this filter of app and search bill of material. You will see our app here. You have to just install this app. Once it installed in your database, go to the manufacturing app, go to the product, and in bill of material, create one bill of material for the product you want to manufacture. Just create it. After installing of our app, you will see this smart button of product catalog in the page of bill of material. Select any one product here, like cabinet with doors. Whatever component you want to add in the list, you have to just go to the product catalog button and click on that, and it will redirect to the page of product catalog. From here you can add uh, your product here, like as much as you want. You can also type that number, like from here, like if I want to, like 50 large cabinet required to manufacture of cabinet with doors, then I have to just simply type that. Like I don't have to manually click on plus sign, and I can also reduce the number of the product from minus sign also, like from here. And you can also remove the component from the list. Like if you see you don't want the screw at all, so just go to the product catalog and here type 0 from here, so it will remove the component from the list of component. Can you see? So this is the functionality of our app, and you can explore our other app also from Odoo App Store. If you have any query, you can mail us sttl-odoo@gmail.com. I will also provide the mail ID in the description box, and stay tuned with our channel for more such videos. Thank you.